Hello kids! Welcome to the Racehorse channel. In this video, we are going to learn the names of the marine animals and some of the interesting facts about each of them. Shark. A shark does not have a single bone in its body, instead it has a skeleton made up of cartilage. Sharks are strong, healthy creatures. Shark's body is heavier than the sea, so if it stops moving it will sink. Dolphin. Dolphins are highly intelligent marine mammals that live in water, but breathe through a blowhole on the top of their head. They are remarkable creatures that have developed a form of sonar called echolocation to hunt and prey. They are very friendly and playful. Whale. Whales are the largest animals that have ever lived on Earth. Whales are mammals, so they feed milk to their babies and breathe air. Since whales are not fish, they do not have gills, so they cannot breathe underwater. They must come up to the surface of the water to get air. The air is breathed in and out through their blowhole, which is on their back. They eat during the summer month, building up layers of blubber. When the water begins to cool, the whales begin their migration to warmer waters. They do not eat during their migration. All they do is swim and rest for short periods of time. Sometimes, when whales are migrating, they swim very close to the shore and can be seen blowing and jumping out of the water. This jumping is called breaching. Jellyfish. Jellyfish have been around for millions of years, even before dinosaurs lived on the earth. Jellyfish have no brain, heart, bones or eyes. They are made up of a smooth, bag-like body and tentacles armed with tiny, stinging cells. Jellyfish stings can be painful to humans, and from certain species, they can even be deadly. Seahorse. Seahorses prefer to swim in pairs with their tails linked together. Seahorses can change their color in minutes, from black or gray to bright yellow or orange. This ability keeps them well hidden from predators. In seahorses, males give birth to babies. Each male seahorse has a pocket-like pouch near its abdomen. Seahorses have no teeth and no stomach. Food passes through their digestive systems so quickly, they must eat almost constantly to stay alive. Clownfish. All clownfish are born as males. When the dominant female of a group dies, the largest male will turn itself into a female. This change cannot be reversed back. Clownfish live up to 10 years in the wild, but on average up to 6 to 8 years. Females lay around 1,000 eggs. The male clownfish will guard the eggs. Octopus. Octopuses themselves provide tasty meals for other sea creatures, such as seals, whales and large fish, who like to gobble them up. But these 8-armed animals have a few cheeky tricks to help defend themselves. If threatened, octopuses shoot an inky fluid from their body that darkens the water around them, confusing the aggressor. They can also hide and blend in with their surroundings too, by changing color to gray, brown, pink, blue or green. They build their dens themselves by moving the rocks into place with their powerful arms. Seal. Seals spend much of their life in water. But they mate, give birth to babies and take care of them on the shore. Thick fur and blubber offer protection against freezing temperatures. Seals have more blood in their body than other animals. Since blood cells keep the oxygen, seal can dive longer than other animals. Seal can hold its breath for 2 hours, which is a record in the animal world. Their fur is used in fashion industry and they are hunted for their oil and skin. Lobsters. Lobsters are bottom dwellers, meaning they live on the ocean floor. Lobsters have very poor eyesight, but this is compensated for by their highly developed sense of smell and taste. When food is scarce, lobsters will sometimes turn into cannibals, eating smaller lobsters. Lobsters' teeth are not in their mouths. Instead, they are in their stomach. Sea otter. Sea otter have webbed feet, water-repellent fur to keep them dry and warm, and nostrils and ears that close in the water. While floating on their backs, sea otters can take their nap. Mothers cuddle their young while floating on their backs, and hold infants on their chests to nurse them. Walrus. Walrus are social animals congregating in large numbers, with groups of walrus called herds. Walruses have an air sac under their throat, which helps them float in the water so they can sleep. Adult walrus are typically about 7.25 to 11.5 feet in size, and can weigh up to 1.5 tons, the weight of small car. Walrus can withstand freezing temperatures as low as -35 degrees Celsius. Sea turtle. Sea turtles have an excellent sense of direction. They can detect the Earth's magnetic field and they use it as a compass. An estimated 110 million years is how long sea turtles have existed on Earth, which means they once shared the planet with T-Rex and other dinosaurs. Crab. Crabs eat both meat and plants, making them omnivores. Crabs walk and swim sideways. Pregnancy in female crabs only lasts 1 or 2 weeks. Then they lay between 1,000 and 2,000 eggs. Crabs are super old, and have persisted for more than 200 million years. Starfish. Starfish do not have a brain. They do have a system of nerves and nerve plexus below their skin, that perform the function of a nervous system. They are perceptive to touch, light, and temperature. Starfish do not have eyes. They do have tiny eye spots on the tips of their arms which allow them to tell the difference between dark and bright. They use these eye spots to detect moving objects such as prey and potential threats. One of the most impressive things starfish can do is to regenerate their whole body. For instance, if a predator eats almost the whole of the starfish except one arm, that arm can over a period of time regenerate the whole body back. Squid. Squids are usually hidden from view but shoot out to capture prey. It can change color and swim backwards. Many squids are small, slim animals, but the giant squids can grow more than 40 feet in length and can weigh nearly a ton. Their eyes are the largest eyes in the animal kingdom and are about 10 inches in diameter. Shrimp. Shrimp like to hang out with other shrimp, so they live together in groups called schools, and talk to each other by making snappy, clicking noises. Shrimp don't have a backbone. In fact, they don't have a skeleton inside their body at all. Instead, they have a hard, shell-like covering called an exoskeleton that protects them and gives their body its shape. Stingray. Stingrays are named for their ability to generate and discharge a strong electric current to stun prey and for defense from potential predators. Many stingrays like to live by themselves and only come together for breeding and migration.
Thanks for watching. If you have liked this video, please share it with your friends. Don't forget to check out the other videos from our Racehorse channel. If you want to encourage us to create more videos, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon.